Why am I obsessed with cabinet pulls, light switches, and doorknobs? That's strange, right? That's strange. But let me explain. I'm obsessed with those because, of course, I sell homes. And this is where people interact with your home. So if they're loose, jiggly, dirty, tarnished, that is something that people are looking right at, touching, and using to get your lights on, get the door open, check out the cabinets, etc. So, where someone touches something on your house, they're looking at it, they're touching it, that's adding a sense. So, if those are off or dirty, oh, I hate when they're dirty, or they're mismatched or loose, broken, whatever, that can really affect what people feel and experience as the quality of your home, whether that's right or wrong. It's true and it happens.